In the endless sea of darkness, where stars shimmer like distant fires, for worlds orbit close to the sun, small, rocky, and ancient, they are called the inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Their dance around the burning heart of our solar system tells a story of birth, destruction, and transformation. The sun dominates the sky, its plasma storms roaring in fiery waves. Around it, the four inner planets circle, their paths carved in invisible ellipses, each one carrying secrets written in stone and dust. Mercury, the swift messenger, hugs the sun so tightly that it burns by day and freezes by night. Venus, wrapped in golden clouds, hides a world of hell beneath her beauty. Earth, our blue jewel, breathes life into the void, fragile yet fierce. And Mars, the red wanderer, waits silently, its rusted soil whispering of rivers long gone. They are siblings, born from the same cosmic cradle, yet each one became a world of its own. What shaped their fates? What made one fertile and the others barren? To answer these questions, we must journey closer, one world at a time, through heat, storms, and silence. It races faster than any planet, orbiting the sun every 88 Earth days. Mercury, small, gray, cratered, looks lifeless, but it carries the scars of a violent past. Its surface, covered in craters and ridges, tells of bombardments that shaped the early solar system. Imagine standing there. The sun looms huge, more than 3 times larger than it appears from Earth. The temperature soars to over 400 degrees Celsius, enough to melt lead. Yet, when a planet turns away, darkness brings unimaginable cold, plunging to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to burn, cold enough to freeze steel, a planet of extremes. There's almost no air, no sound, no protection. Just a world scorched and frozen, endlessly orbiting the fire that created it. But deep beneath its iron heart, Mercury may still whisper faint magnetic murmurs, echoes of a dying core. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mercury might have been larger, with molten seas and a thicker crust. Then, something catastrophic happened. Perhaps a colossal collision ripped away its outer layers, leaving only this dense metallic remnant, the skeleton of a once fuller world. So close to the sun, yet forever distant from warmth or life, Mercury is a survivor of a cosmic war. From afar, Venus gleams bright, beautiful, perfect. Ancient astronomers called her the morning star, the evening star, the goddess of love. But beneath her soft glow lies a nightmare. As we descend through her atmosphere, light fades. Clouds turn thick, yellow, and poisonous, made of sulfuric acid. The pressure crushes everything, 90 times stronger than Earth's. The temperature? A staggering 465 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the sun. Venus is a furnace sealed beneath endless storms. Volcanoes taller than Mount Everest spew molten rock across the plains. Lightning flashes through sulfur clouds, painting the sky in violet hues. What went wrong here? Some scientists think Venus was once like Earth, with oceans and rain. But a runaway greenhouse effect transformed her. The sun grew brighter, water evaporated, carbon dioxide trapped the heat, and the cycle spiraled out of control. The planet boiled itself alive. Now its surface is a wasteland, rivers of lava, broken mountains, and silence. Yet, above those deadly clouds at high altitudes, temperatures are surprisingly mild. Could life exist there, floating in acid clouds unseen by our eyes? Perhaps the goddess still hides her mysteries well. Venus teaches us one thing: beauty can burn and paradise can fall. And then blue. Oceans shimmer beneath white clouds. Continents breathe beneath sunlight. Earth, the miracle planet, the only world known to cradle life. It stands between fire and frost, at the perfect distance from the sun. Its air, a mix of oxygen and nitrogen, shelters us. Its magnetic field shields us from cosmic radiation. Its water flows endlessly, rivers, rain, and seas, sustaining all who live. From the molten chaos of creation, Earth found balance. Volcanoes birthed continents, lightning sparked the first molecules of life, and gravity shaped the oceans that reflect the heavens. Look closer. Forests whisper with wind, mountains echo with thunder, Coral reefs bloom beneath sapphire waves. Life everywhere. But the most astonishing thing about Earth is that it changes itself. Continents drift, climates shift, species evolve. It's a living organism, breathing through storms and seasons. And among all forms of life, one, humanity, rose to look back at the sky and ask, why are we here? In Earth's reflection, we see the fragile balance of all worlds. The warmth of Venus warns us. The silence of Mars calls to us. And our own world reminds us that life is rare, precious, and fleeting. Red dust swirls in thin air. The wind howls across endless plains. Mars, the desert world, frozen, lonely, yet strangely familiar. Once, it might have been like Earth. Rivers carved valleys. Lakes shimmer beneath pink skies, and volcanoes towered above the horizon. But time changed everything. Mars lost its atmosphere. Its magnetic field faded, and the sun's radiation stripped the air away. The rivers dried, the lakes froze, and life, if it ever existed, vanished beneath stone and ice. Now, robots roam where rivers once ran. The rovers, Curiosity, Perseverance, send back images that stir the soul. Dry riverbeds, layered rocks, dust devils dancing in silence. It feels like a memory of our own world, trapped in time. And yet, deep beneath the surface, there might still be hope. Frozen water. Perhaps, in hidden caves, microbial life clings to survival. Mars whispers of what was, and what could be again. Humanity dreams of walking there, building new homes, and bringing life back to this silent planet. Mars is more than red dust. It's a mirror of possibility. 4 worlds, 4 fates. Mercury, the scarred survivor. Venus, the fallen twin. Earth, the cradle of life. Mars, the sleeping dreamer. Together, they form the inner circle, the guardians of the sun, the record keepers of creation. From Mercury's molten plains to Mars's frozen deserts, each planet tells a piece of the same story. The story of our solar system's birth, the chaos of collisions, the poetry of time. What binds them together? Gravity, yes, but also history, a shared beginning in the dust of the sun's nebula. What separates them? Choices made by nature, atmosphere, magnetism, water, chance. In the grand clockwork of the cosmos, these 4 small worlds orbit quietly, forever spinning under the sun's eternal gaze. One burns, one hides, one lives, and one dreams. And we, standing on the third, look outward and inward, knowing that everything we see among the stars began with these inner planets, these fiery hearts of stone. Their journey is our own. Their destiny, a reflection of what we were and what we might become. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of our universe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who love the stars too. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a journey through the cosmos. Keep looking up and stay curious.